Sitting is a position that adds stress to the structures in the spine. To avoid developing or compounding back problems, it is important to have an ergonomic chair that supports the lower back and evokes good posture. In today's society, many will be sitting all day long in office environments. Although sitting requires less physical effort than standing or walking, it still puts a lot of stress on the lumbar area. Combined effects of a sedentary lifestyle and job that requires sitting can lead to many health problems. The selection of suitable chair is a critical step. These are all items you get inside a box. As you can see, these are the legs. Then you have backrest. Then you have main sitting platform. It can hold up to 120 kg. Then you have height adjuster, some wheels, tools, and gas spring. You also get a headrest and a lumbar support. The installation is very easy. Here are the legs. You get the wheels and you just press them into the notch. And that's it. The wheels will be installed. As simple as that. Once you're done with the legs, get the gas spring and just press it. That's it. Put on the cap. Get your main platform. Get the height adjuster. There are a couple of screws. You just start tightening the screws. And you are done. Now get your backrest. There are a couple of screws both the sides. You just start tightening the screws. And that's how you install the backrest. As simple as that. Now get the legs, insert it into your height adjuster. Now the time of this inserting a cap, and that's what the chair looks like. The installation is very easy. The only part remained is inserting a lumbar support. They have given clips. You just connect the clips, your headrest. Same way you connect the clips for the headrest as well. And the chair. The wheels are very smooth. You can adjust the height. The tilting angle is from 90 degree to 180 degree. The chair is very comfortable. Forget about sitting on the chair. I can even sleep on this chair. 10 out of 10 marks. Now on, in every video of mine, you'll be able to see this chair. Thanks a lot guys for watching.